the back of their house. You can hear the generator running all night. Patio. Tops seared right off. Our 40-year-old pin oak uprooted, smashing into our neighbors. That was a tall one too. Our neighbor lost all their trees. This is another huge tree that uprooted. Somebody's umbrella. These are all the trees that fell from our neighbor's yard into our yard. This massive one. It's gonna be a big cleanup. Oh shit. This is all down on our property. It's probably a 30-foot tree right there. Again, seared off the top. Then coming back around, our front tree crashing into our neighbor's house and car, sadly.